Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. If you have been following our daily MCQ series till now, then you would be knowing what we are doing here right now. I'm providing you with 15 MCQs in jumbled format from all of the chapters of class 11th and class 12th NCERT Biology so that you are able to crack the upcoming NEET exam with confidence by practicing these little extra MCQs over other students. So without wasting much time, let's get started with 15 MCQs for today. Question number 1. Minerals known to be required in large amount for plants include calcium, magnesium, manganese, copper, potassium, phosphorus, selenium, boron, magnesium, sulphur, iron, zinc, phosphorus, potassium, sulphur, calcium. Mineral which is known to be required in large amount for plant growth. The correct answer is option 4. Phosphorus, potassium, sulphur and calcium. Question number 2. Which of the following enhances or induces fusion of protoplast? Polyethylene glycol and sodium nitrate, IAA and kinetin, IAA and gibberellin, sodium chloride and potassium chloride. Enhance and induce the fusion of protoplast. The correct answer is option 1. Polyethylene glycol and sodium nitrate. Question number 3. Cryopreservation of gametes of threatened species in a viable and fertile condition can be referred to as advanced ex-situ conservation of biodiversity, in-situ conservation by sacred groves, in-situ cryo-conservation of biodiversity, in-situ conservation of biodiversity. The correct answer is option 1, advanced ex-situ conservation of biodiversity. Now remember this, what does in situ and ex-situ means? In situ means within the environment, ex-situ means outside the environment. What is the environment of any threatened species? It is the forest in which it is living. So when the species tried to conserved or saved within the forest, it is known as in situ conservation, and if the species is tried to saved or conserved outside the forest, it is known as ex-situ conservation. So cryopreservation of gametes, there is no way involvement of the surrounding of the species, right? So it's an example of ex-situ conservation. Question number 4. Which of the following endoparasites of human does show viviparity? What is viviparity? They give birth. Enterobius vermicularis, Trichinella spiralis, Ascaris lumbricoid, and Cyclostoma duodenale. Correct answer is option 2, Trichinella spiralis. Question number 5. Read the following 4 statements from A to D. A. In transcription, adenosine pairs with uracil. B. Regulation of lac operon by repressor is referred to as positive regulation. The human genome has approximately 50,000 genes. Hemophilia is a sex-linked recessive disease. How many of the above statements are right? How many of the above statements are right? The correct answer is option 4. Only 2 of the above statements are right. Question number 6. How many organisms the list given below are autotrophs? Autotrophs. Lactobacillus, nostoc, chera, nitrosomonas, nitrobacter, streptomyces, saccharomyces, trypanosoma, porphyra, wolffia. The correct answer is option 2. 6 of the organisms listed above are autotrophs. Question number 7. How many plants in the list given below have marginal placentation? Mustard, gram, tulip, asparagus, arhar, sunhemp, chili, colchicine, oil, moong, pea, tobacco, lupin. The correct answer is option 2. 6 of the above organisms or above plants have marginal placentation. Question number 8. As compared to a dicot root, a monocot root has many xylem bundles, inconspicuous annual rings, relatively thick periderm, more abundant secondary xylem. The correct answer is option 1, many xylem bundles. Question number 9. A test cross is carried out to predict whether two traits are linked assess the number of alleles of a gene, determine whether the two species or a variety will breed successfully, determine the genotype of a plant at F2 generation. Test cross is carried out too. The correct answer is option 4, to determine the genotype of a plant in F2 generation. Question number 10. Which one of the following categories of animal is correctly described with no single exception? All bony fishes have 4 pair of gills and an operculum on each side. All sponges are marine and have collared cells. All mammals are viviparous and possess diaphragm for breathing. All reptiles possess scales, have a 3-chambered heart and are cold-blooded. The correct answer is option 1 is correct without any single exception. Question number 11. What causes a green plant exposed to light only on one side to bend towards the source of the light as it grows? Green plants seek light because they are phototropic. Light stimulates plant cells on the lighted side to grow faster. Oxygen accumulates on the shaded side, stimulating greater cell elongation there. Green plants need light to perform photosynthesis. The correct answer is option 3. Oxygen accumulates on the shaded side, stimulating greater cell elongation there. Question number 12. HIV that causes AIDS first starts destroying. Which of the following cells are first destroyed by HIV, which is the causative agent of AIDS? Leukocytes, helper T lymphocytes, thrombocytes, B lymphocytes. The correct answer is option 2, helper T lymphocytes. Question number 13. Hysterectomy is surgical removal of prostate gland, vas-deference, mammary gland, uterus. The correct answer is option 4, uterus. Hysterectomy is surgical removal of uterus. Wherever ectomy comes, remember it is surgical removal, right? So hysterectomy, hystery means the uterus, hysteris means the uterus. Hysterectomy means surgical removal of uterus. If the appendix was removed, it was called as appendectomy. So ectomy means surgical removal of an organ. Question number 14. Removal of PCT from nephron will result in more concentrated urine, no change in quality quantity of urine, no urine formation, more diluted urine. The correct answer is option 4. If PCT is removed, more diluted urine is formed because PCT is the first and the most important site for reabsorption of all the water and the ions that are released into the urine. So PCT reabsorbs 70% of these water and the ions that are released. So if PCT is removed, all these won't be reabsorbed and they would be excreted as it is, and more diluted urine would be excreted. Question number 15. A major characteristic of monocot root is presence of scattered vascular bundle, vasculature without cambium, cambium sandwiched between phloem and xylem, open vascular bundle. Major characteristic of monocot root is presence of. The correct answer is option 2, vasculature without cambium. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.